Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Bluetooth file transfer not completed. File transfer is disabled by policy. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Bluetooth support service, change startup type to automatic, click start, click apply, click OK. Second method is click start, settings, click Bluetooth and devices, turn on Bluetooth. Third method is type control panel in Windows search bar, click control panel. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Change to 40 or 56-bit encryption. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, right-click Bluetooth device, click Update Device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.